What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. Once again, we're back in Steven's shop with my boy Z.
Here,
Steven. So we started the vlog a little bit late. I didn't feel like recording earlier, but we're here.
Bobby's not YouTubing anymore.
Nah, chill. Never that.
Over his channel.
Yeah, okay, okay. But anyways, we're back at Steven's shop. He's gonna continue working on the wide body kit. Today he's gonna be painting the wide body parts. Right now he's got the paint shaking it up, and we're gonna go jump in the booth. I'm probably just gonna get some shots of him painting the wide body. I think that's gonna be it for the day. We're not really gonna do much. We gotta head out a little bit earlier today, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna be up to. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so Steven laid down the second coat of the silver. The base silver. It's looking really nice. Yo, nigga's sweating heavy, yo. It's really hot in there, dude. It's hot as dicks. What?
Just wear it again, that's why you don't sweat.
I'm sweating, bro. I'm wearing a black shirt. Yeah, touch my come touch my back, bro.
There you go.
So he's mixing the candy red right now, and he's gotta lay 2 coats of that, and then I think that's pretty much it. I doubt he's gonna be mounting it on the car today.
Oh, you gotta spray the red, candy red, and then spray the clear.
And then split, yeah. Oh, that's right, I forgot about the clear. So that's probably 2 coats of that too. So about 4 coats left, and then we're probably just gonna head out because you know, like I said earlier, it's gonna be an early day for us today, but you know, it's been fun.
Yeah, Bobby.
And it's really hot, dude. Yo, Z just came back from Cali. Talk about that. Yo, how was it?
It was good. It was chill.
It was chill?
I was covering the Anime Expo event there, and I've never seen so many freaking neckbeards and nerds and shit in my life, bro.
Yeah, that's funny, dude. Hey, you had a good time, though?
Yeah, it was cool. Good shit.
It was good.
Every day it was 75 degrees, chilling, no humidity. It's come back here, it's hot as shit.
Hot
I wake up wet, take a shower, still wet.
Hey, yo.
Go to sleep wet.
Wet?
Always wet.
So
All right.
guys, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, like, hit the
That's gonna be
notification
it.
bell.
Huge shout out to Steven for letting us come through and film. It was dope. It definitely came out really sick. I can't wait to see it on the car.
Huge shout out
we
to
look
Bobby
mad
for
dark.
actually motivating me to actually do it today.
Oh, that's lit, dude. That's lit.
God knows that when I got done.
Hopefully, he'll be throwing it on the car soon, and we'll try to get like a full.
Bro,
I'm a little sticky, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's full of the clear
The
color
clear.
candy.
Oh yeah, wait until you sweat.
Why?
You smell like you're dying. Dude.
Yeah.
For real?
Oh yeah, because you sweat out the chemicals.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
When you,
You better go home and exfoliate that
Dead
shit,
ass, bro. I gotta go exfoliate.
Gotta get like a rock from outside and start rubbing your shit.
When you're done exfoliating, go clear it up.
You acting like you don't exfoliate, bro. Come on. Huh?
It's like when you rub shit.
When you rub like
I don't rub shit on my
vigorously,
No, like just to like get shit off.
like off the pores and shit.
You mean clean yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like,
That's called exfoliating.
yeah. So you do exfoliate, nigga. Alright, whatever. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it. You shout out to Zeke. You shout out to Steven. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.